If you're wondering whether you can use your VA loan to buy land, especially land to build on later, the short answer is no. But don't worry, at least here in Texas. In Texas, you can actually use one of the best backup options for veterans anywhere in the country. So let's get into it. Welcome back to VA Loan 101. Today's topic is one that I really like because, at least in Texas, it gives us an option other than the VA loan to allow us to buy land. Now, let's break down why the VA loan doesn't work for land purchases, except for in a specific situation. And then I'll explain how the Texas Veteran Land Board steps in to give us another path to land ownership. So here's the deal. The VA loan is for primary residences only. And that means you cannot use your VA loan to buy raw land. You can't use it to buy land that you plan to build on later. And you can't use it for vacation lots or investment property or commercial use. There's only one exception. You can use your VA loan to buy land and build a home on it simultaneously using the VA construction loan. But that's a whole different beast in itself. Okay, so very few lenders even offer that as a possibility, and the process is complex and restrictive. So the bottom line is, if you plan to buy just raw land now, the VA loan, it's not even an option. So if you can't use your VA loan, what are your other options? Well, I don't know what goes on around the country, but here in Texas, veterans have access to an incredible benefit. The Texas Veteran Land Board Land Loan Program is phenomenal. I've helped several clients buy land through this program. This is a state-run program that helps eligible veterans buy land in Texas with very low interest rates and low down payments and flexible terms, and is completely separate from the VA loan. This is one of the few programs in the entire country that actually helps vets buy land directly without having to build on it immediately. So here's what you need to know to be able to qualify for the Texas Veteran Land Board. Okay, first, you must be a Texas resident. Then you gotta be at least 18 years old, have served active duty or National Guard with at least 90 days of active federal service. You need to be honorably discharged. The land must be in Texas and be at least 1 acre. Okay, so there's a lot of different restrictions, but if you served and you've done 90 days and you're a Texas resident, it's pretty easy. Now, you don't have to put a minimum of, well, you will have to put a minimum of 5% down, which is a lot better than most land lenders. And the VLB allows you to have a loan amount of up to $150,000 as of 2025. So here's a pro tip. You can use the land board for just land now and later use your VA loan to build a primary residence on that land. If you do it through the right builder and the right lender, and at the end, they can merge both of them together for one payment. So what makes the Texas Veteran Land Board program such a powerful tool? Well, like I said, it has low interest rates and they're only available to Texas veterans. They have fixed 30-year terms with no balloon payments. There's no prepayment penalty. There's no need to build right away. You can hold the land and build when you're ready. Now, it's one of the few land loan programs that actually honors your military service. It's one of the great things I love about Texas. They're very military friendly. Plus, they also offer additional programs for home improvement loans and traditional home purchases if you need them down the road. So to kind of wrap up everything, I'll just rehash, you cannot buy land using your VA loan by itself. But if you're in Texas, the Veteran Land Board has your back. Now, with 5% down and a 30-year fixed rate mortgage and no pressure to build right away, it makes it one of the best kept secrets in Texas. It's one of the best Texas veteran benefits that we have here in the state, besides 100% tax waiver for 100% disabled veterans. But if you want help finding eligible land in Texas, or you need help applying through the VLB, reach out. I've helped several of my clients, just like you, find the right property and use the right benefit at the right time to maximize everything that they need. And if this video helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe and drop a comment with your Texas county, and I can let you know what available properties are in your area.